Good morning, guys. It's that time that we're gonna cover this in resin. I did have to make my resin just a little bit thinner because it's pretty cold here in the studio. So I had to warm it up just a little bit to make it more fluid. As you can see right now, it's pretty fluid. So we're gonna carefully cover this. I hope I have enough because I have something like 80 milliliters. Oh no, 80 grams. Sorry about that. So that should be enough to cover this. And we're smoothing it out. And this time I'm not going to worry if it goes over the side because I have a taped off the sides, and what we really want is it to go over a little bit here in the corner. There we go. And then a little bit more here. Well, we could have done with a little bit less resin, as I can see right now. This is a 20 by 20 centimeters, and I think it would have been enough to do, let's say 60. 60 would have been enough. I'm pretty sure of that. So we're going to help it along here and along here. There we go. Now I'm checking to see if everything is covered, that there's no spots that I missed. And then we can start getting off the bubbles. That's really important. We don't want all the bubbles in there. And as you can see, it's starting to really get that beautiful shine. And it is kind of perfect as it is right now. Maybe a little bit more. I still see some little sprinkles pop up. Okay, then all I want to do is go along the side here, make sure that it is all has the same little bulge going on, because that's important. There it is, and I see one tiny little hair in there. And it's really important to get that out before this dries, and now I don't see it anymore. It might have sunk a little bit. Maybe it was just a little dust particle. I'm not sure, but this is okay. Making sure that we have a very clean side, because when I take off the tape, you don't want to pull away the resin. But absolutely I cannot see the little dust thing that was in there, so that's good. Okay, what I see is that the tree, everything is sort of nicely in place. This is still shiny, so that's good. And we'll just let it set like this. Just one more check if I don't see anything. No dust. Okay, now as I told you before, after a while you have to come back in with your torch. As you can see, already still some of that stuff popping up. And you really have to do this because otherwise you get all those little pinholes in it of the air bubbles. But this is it, guys. So this was the pouring of my multimedia piece, and we're gonna put this under one of those little tents that I always make, and I'll show it to you I think I'll have to wait till next week because then it's totally dry. I don't want to get anything in there. So I'll see you in the next video. Laters.